Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your iPhone if you deleted it from the home screen. So if I go to remove app right here and remove this completely, I won't be able to find it anymore. So what I want to do is go down to search, so I can just go to here, and it might be a suggested app, usually it is, and then you can just type in App Store right here too. Now if you don't want to type it in, you can just go all the way to the right, and you might be able to find it under one of these categories, like mine is in suggested. You can see I just go there, and to get it back on home screen, just hold down on the application and then go to add to home screen. Now you can also just type it in right here on the top under app library, and it looks like it's in alphabetical order, so it should just appear on the top, so you shouldn't have to type anything in. Now another thing that we can do, if it's not allowing you to add it or you can't find it, go to settings. Then go on down to screen time. Go down to content and privacy restrictions. And then iTunes and App Store purchases, and just says allow installing apps, allow deleting apps. So if you accidentally uninstalled it, you can get back onto your phone by allowing those apps to be installed. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.